Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. In my previous video you see that the infrared sensor was placed at the top of the gantry, and after the print the gantry, X gantry and the hot end would move up to 150 millimeters toward the infrared sensor, and then after the printer stop. But look what happens when the gantry moves up to 150 millimeters. See what happens to the filament. It becomes very loose because the gantry moves upward. It's very loose, and this is something I want to avoid because that's not good for the filament. It's not good to have it loose like this. So I'm going to show you how I managed to solve that problem. As I said, the filament becomes loose when the gantry moves upward to 150 meters. Now the solution I've found is very simple. I place the infrared sensor here at the bottom. Here the infrared sensor. And now after the print, it is the bed itself that moves backward over the infrared sensor, just like this. And that's the same for the electric probe. I have inside of my infrared sensor here at the back, retained by a screw here. I have screw this here, and after the print, the bed moves backward all the way down, and it comes over the infrared sensor. And when the infrared sensor detects the bed, it starts the timer at the end of which the relay is deactivated and the printer turns off. But the same we have here. Here also it is retained by a screw here. Over here I have my screw here, and I'm going to show you how I install these elements. As there is no screw, I will drill a little hole on the cap of the stepper motor just next to the end stop. Then I will insert a screw and retain it with a nut, and after I will place the infrared support on that screw. So I remove little part here just to make sure that the screw would sit properly. Okay, now I can insert the screw, and then I put a nut on the other side. I put the cap back in place. There it is. Now I have a screw on which I can place the support. Here is one of the supports I have printed. There are different types. I will just try one by one to see which type fits better. Okay, now I tighten the nut. There it is. Here now I have my infrared placed in its support, and now I can see that the bed would not touch it. Okay, here we are at the back. As you can see, there is one light on. When the bed moves over the infrared, you see the second green light is on. It means that the bed is detected. Here we have one light, and the second light turns on when the bed is detected. For the Ender 3 Pro, here the support is retained by a screw, one of the screw of the stepper motors on the side here. And as you can see, when the bed moves over the sensor, the green light turns on, both lights turns on. It means that the bed is detected. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell just to make sure that you have more videos to come. Make sure also that you share all the videos to help my channel. Thank you very much.